everyone, it's Vian. Welcome back to my channel. A happy 2018 to you guys. This is the first video that's going up since in the year 2018, and I have started doing YouTube again a whole year already. It's been a year. I started, I think it was also the 1st or the 2nd of last year. And so it's been great, you know, doing videos, being with you guys, having you guys comment, and, you know, watching my videos. I really appreciate it. This video is per some requests that I had for a tutorial for the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I am obsessed with this palette. I've been using it for the past, I don't know, since I've gotten it. I've used it a lot, and I just really love all the looks that I came up with it. And today's tutorial is, of course, on this look right here. So if you guys are interested, then go ahead and keep on watching. you guys, that's how I got this look right here, and I just love this palette so much. It's so versatile. I'm going to be doing more looks with it, and I'll try to get, you know, a video of all the other looks that I come up with. And I would highly suggest this palette, even though it might look like it's all shimmers and bright colors, but they are very worth it. They go well together, and even like the shimmers, they're not like very metallic, and they're not like very popping out there, so it's really easy to work with. Alright, you guys, until the next video, thank you for watching. Remember, if you haven't done so, hit the subscribe button, and I'll talk with you guys next time.